Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 as we approach its of release date. We have some new details about it. So let's discuss this in this video. So let's get off with that and so it's official that the Note 9 is coming on August the 9th, which is confirmed by this teaser which you're seeing right now, which teases the S Pen as it's going to be unpacked in New York City. So guys, we are about a few days ahead of the release date, and so it's not going to be like a grand phone, but it'll be a feature packed phone. So alongside that, we also have some brand new live leak images of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and in this first one we get to see the boot up state of the Galaxy Note 9, and you can see it's secured by Knox, and on the back of it we can see that it's the fingerprint sensor which has been brought to the center and vertically aligned. And we got another one which shows the inner UI, which is not very clear in this picture, but still it shows it's got the August patch for the UI, August patch 2018. Anyways, this it's almost the same. So also there's a new hands-on leak which reveals that the leaker Elder Murtazin has spent some time with the Note 9 and states it is almost the same as the Note 8, which I earlier predicted, and the only changes is the fingerprint sensor position. The bezels are almost the same as they are slightly shorter. He also says it has the same Super AMOLED display, but it is brighter than before. He also says that it is quite heavier than the Note 8. That is because of the 4000 mAh of battery which is inside it. He also mentions the new UI features, which will be the Crown UI as leaked before. He also states that the cameras are much improved with optical image stabilization and similar to the S9 Plus. And so the changes to the S Pen are that it has a Bluetooth and new software features which include Wi-Fi remote control, Bluetooth and other features as well, mostly convenient for business users. It will also act as a remote device for your camera. While you can you can have it in your hand and take a picture, snap it with it while holding the mobile far away. Not much, but still. Anyways, the Note 9 will have a Snapdragon 845 variant and an Exynos 9810 variant. It is also going to have 8GB of RAM. There will also be a variant of the Note 9 available in selected markets with 512GB of storage. So one variant will be the 512GB of storage one, and with 8GB of RAM, mostly in China because the sales there were quite low with the S9 and S9 Plus family, and so that's why Samsung is promoting the 8GB version there most probably. I hope we'll get more region-wise release for that, and anyways it's going to be a 6GB variant as well. And so there is going to be a Bixby 2.0 as well as the new Crown UI, which will debut and most probably be based on Android 9.0, Android P. So yeah guys, that's all we know so far regarding the Note 9. It's coming on August the 9th, and not a very excitable phone, but still a feature packed phone. It is also said that it's going to be a much thicker Samsung Galaxy phone, and it's going to be wider than the Note 8 because of that bulk battery with the stubborn battery life. And so yeah guys, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and please leave a like below if you found this video convenient to yourself, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.